Nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked. Someone who never asks for love, but knows how to take it. Are you that somebody who sees a wall and breaks it? Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws? Can you love me naked? Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 yeah.
What up, y'all?
People! What's going on?
What's going on? So welcome to our new YouTube channel, right? And we figured that y'all always telling us we need a YouTube channel. We figured we'd make one. Right
So, here we are, starting, getting ready for this Hurricane Michael.
right.
We Michael ready.
We
Yeah.
just went food shopping. We're going to take you on a little trip with us when we went food shopping. Get some food and some alcohol. That's how we get ready for storms.
Wow.
Right. So we figured that we would just like tell y'all a little bit about us in our first video, and like how we met and how we got together and stuff like that, right, babe?
That part.
It's always a funny story because we got together really quick. We make a joke out of it, right, babe?
Yeah, I'll let you go.
I knew you was gonna do that. Well, you tell them how we met.
Okay, so I saw her in this lesbian group, and I was like, "Ooh,
On
she's
social
cute."
media.
Yeah. So I inboxed a little something cute, real simple. So she didn't get back to me right away though. So I'm steady,
Because I was at work,
my phone.
right?
Oh, she ain't hit me back. Checking my phone. So when she finally hit me back, it's been on since
It's
then.
been on. So we met in a Facebook group, and we were both involved, not in a relationship, but we were dating other people. And so we met, we started talking, we liked each other, and we got rid of the other people. Right?
Which is real easy for me because I wasn't really.
It was
Anyway.
real easy for her, but she had some aftermath effects, right? My cutoff was smooth. Like, I'm sorry, this isn't happening for us. And that was the end of it.
My cutoff was I told you not to get comfortable with me anyway. But anyway.
But then I was getting inboxes, and her friends was being called, and there was a whole bunch of craziness.
Anyway, moving right along.
Moving right along. So after that, we cut each other off. I think we got together in a serious relationship. Like, we committed about a month, right?
What I like from the beginning, both of us is the same sign, which is Sagittarius. Both of us is left-handed. Okay. And we have so much in common.
Similarities.
Yeah, it's just
We are so similar. I'm just like the feminine counterpart to her masculinity.
that part.
Like, we really do balance each other really well.
We are a team. We've been a team since day one.
And people don't get it. Like, we move quick, but we move quick because it felt organic and it felt natural. And it just felt good to our spirits. From day one to right now, we've had a smooth relationship. Maybe we had one argument, if that.
I wouldn't even call it an argument.
Right. It was resolved like in 20 minutes. Like, we
Yeah.
get along so well.
After that, we laughed about it, move on.
Mm-hmm.
Most relationships want to stay stuck in that. We try not to bring what we've been through in the past to our current relationship. We're not doing that. So
Right.
we're doing things differently.
So,
Which I love it.
right, that part.
Yeah.
So we met, we got together, we committed a few days after Christmas of 2017. And she was like, "You mine, you belong to me." I was like, "Okay." And that's really how we got together. And then we celebrated our first New Year's and our first Valentine's Day. It was nice.
Valentine's was everything.
We had a great Valentine's
I done
Day.
things for Valentine's that I didn't even do in my past relationship. So
We had a dope
yeah,
Valentine's Day.
it was dope.
And so what did it? So we had that, and
Did
then
we ever say our names?
okay, what's your name?
I'm Marcy, by the way.
And I'm Siren. Nice to meet y'all. Hi. And so anyway, so after that, after Valentine's Day, we decided to move across country. She's originally from New York, New Jersey, and I'm from Staten Island.
The bricks.
I'm from New York, and we moved to Atlanta, which is where we live at now. This is our house. We're going to show you around a little bit in a minute. And so we moved to Atlanta in March, And we've been here. We've been doing it, living life, having a good, happy time, making moves, you know, progressing, making haters. You know how we do, right? So professionally, what we do for a living, right? I am an executive assistant, babe.
I'm a truck driver.
Right? And we're both professional in our careers, make decent money, right? And what else do you want to tell these people?
That we happy.
We mad happy.
We living.
We definitely are living.
And for, you know, friends and family that know our past, you know.
Right. We both came out of tumultuous relationships.
Yeah.
And I can't really talk about her relationship. I can talk about mine. For me, this has been a breath of fresh air in comparison to what I've come from. I was married for 10 years. I got divorced 2 years ago. And that whole relationship, like, I'm just happy to
It's been a woosah.
moved
for real.
on. And I find someone who's just good to me and loving and wants to take care of me. And I don't have trust issues and we don't argue. Like, this has been the most refreshing relationship I've been in. And I'm 43, so, you know, I've done some dating in my life. Right?
I'm just going to say I'm seasoned.
My baby look good for
That
her age.
part.
Tell them how old you are, babe. They won't believe it.
I'll be 49.
Right, my
In
baby
December.
look good for her age. Stop
Born on my
playing.
mother's birthday, so I feel gifted. 12, you know.
How often does that happen? She was born on the same day her mother was born on.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Yeah.
Talk about two peas in a pod. And they look just alike. I wish I could like put a little picture of your mom right here real quick. I'd have to figure out
We'll
how
do
to
that. We'll do
learn
that
how to
later.
do that kind of editing features. But her and her mother look identical, born on the same day
My
alike.
twin, 21 years apart.
How often do you see that? So, basically, it's just her and I here, and we have a dog named King. He's sleeping. We will get him on film a little bit later on, right? And we live in Atlanta, and that's just really about it. Is there anything else you want to tell them about you or us or anything like that?
Just stay tuned.
Stay tuned for sure. So in the meanwhile, we're going to just show you a little bit of our house on the first floor anyway. I don't think we're going upstairs with it. Our Christmas tree came today. So
Can we do that for the next video?
Okay, then we won't be showing you
Baby,
around.
you sweating.
It's hot. I just told you it's hot in here.
Mm.
You didn't believe me? I just turned the air down.
Okay.
You see, I'm looking all shiny on camera.
Mm.
But anyway.
But looking good to me.
I love you. I love her so much. So, this is our first video. We'll be back more. We'll be back and we'll show you more what's going on in our life. And stay tuned. Come back. And welcome to the Siren and Money channel. We haven't figured out our name yet. We're still trying to figure that out. But we'll be back, right? You gotta say bye?
See y'all later. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. See y'all later.
All right.
Say, come say hello.
Oh,
Come say hello.
what's going on?
What are we doing right now?
Shopping for this hurricane.
We
'Cause it's
shopping
coming.
for the hurricane, but just look at the shit that we got in here for the hurricane, okay?
That,
We got potato chips.
that.
We got bread.
Look,
We got
I need my salad.
we got shredded lettuce,
I need my fish.
cucumber. What's that called
What was the
again?
news? I need that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't eat that shit.
My little snack shit.
We got people trying to get by, right? So we got fish, hot fish, yellow rice, potato salad, and ground beef. And this is our hurricane food, right, babe?
What? We got everything else in the house.
So anyway, come on, let's walk. We're in here, we're getting ready. And this is our first YouTube video, so we figured we would show like how we get ready and introduce ourselves and stuff like that, right? Oh, babe about to turn up, as you can see. So we're gonna do some more grocery shopping.
This time I got, just get my head right,
And we're gonna be back, right? That way. So we just left the supermarket and now we're headed to where, babe?
Liquor store.
And this is how we get ready for a storm.
Yeah, that part.
You guys want to meet our dog? King, come here. Come on camera, say hello. Say hello. King, you're being very disrespectful. King, say hello. All right, you little shady ass.
He not even being shady. He just
Being king.
king at the end of the day.
Right. So now we're on to the next spot, and we'll be back in a minute to check in once we get
They
out
ain't
alcohol.
fixed this yet.
The street is messed up. So babe is fussing about the street being messed up. Where she's going right now is beyond me, but okay.
The LQ.
Why you didn't go out the next way?
This that passenger driver thing.
But
That
now you gotta cross over this. Why you didn't just go out where the light was at? Give you a clear path. You see? Look at. Studs swear they know everything.
watch my work though.
Watch they know
Watch my work,
everything
though.
when it comes to
You
driving.
know what I mean? Watch my work though. Bad. You understand what I'm talking about? What? I do this.
Cause she a professional driver. She says she know everything when it comes to the road.
I eat for a living. 14 years of it.
So anyway, we will be back in a little while, right after this commercial break.
Later.
What up, y'all? We're getting ready for Hurricane Michael, right, babe?
Hurricane Michael. We have Michael ready.
We got Michael ready. Except I cannot find our flashlights or our candles, but we just figured we'd come say hey real quick.
We got the main ingredient. Yeah.
That part. King, say hey to everybody. King, say what's up.
No,
King,
you ain't beat.
you being shady? Such a
Nah.
daddy's boy. Such a daddy's boy.
You think we going somewhere?
All right, y'all. So this is what's happening right now. As you can see, it's not much nothing.
Mm.
We'll do another update later, right?
I'm
This is
posted
us.
up at the door.
This babe, she's chilling at the door.
Right. Right here. Posted up.
All right. We'll be back for more videos.